Good morning class, as we have started with the exercises of chapter 4, that is welcome to the forest in workbook. Now today we are going to continue with it only. Today we are going to do exercise C, that is on page number 31. This exercise is based on pronouns. I hope you have learned. You have heard about pronouns. Pronouns are those words which are used in place of noun. That is, instead of writing, like if we write Rita again, Rita and Rita, like Rita likes to swim, Rita likes to dance. We can say na Rita likes to dance and she also likes to swim. The word which we have used, she over here, is the pronoun. So, I, me, we, us, he, she, him, her, these are all pronouns. So, today first of all we are going to read about pronouns and then we are going to do the exercise based on it. So, take out your books and open to page number 31 and let us begin with the explanation of pronouns first of all, and then let us begin with the exercise. As I have told you that today we are going to continue with the chapter 4 only in workbook, that is welcome to the forest. So take out your books and open to page number 31 in it. First of all, we are going to read what are personal pronouns. We are going to read about it and then we will do exercise C today. Personal pronouns. First of all, let me tell you what are pronouns. Pronouns are those words which we use in place of nouns. Like with writing the name again and again, we can, in case of boy we can use he, or in case of girl we can use she. He and she are both pronouns. So now let us read. Pronouns are the word used in place of nouns. Personal pronouns are used in place of specific person, place, animal or thing. Pronouns, as I have told you, that they are used in place of nouns. Personal pronouns are used in place of person, place, animal or things. Pronouns used for examples. First is I and me, talking about oneself. First is I am the class president. My cousin was talking to me. I am here. I is the personal pronoun and my is also the pronoun. We and us, talking about ourselves, which means I and more people. Where it is used for? It is used when we talk about ourselves, which means I, and something more about more people. When we talk about, we use we there. We spotted a goldfinch. Second one, the bird saw us hiding behind a bush. You, a person or persons we talking to directly. You, when we talk about you, is a person we are talking to directly. We say na you. The person sitting in front, we say you. Sia lent you her book. Sia lent you her book. Now fourth one is he, him, she, her. With he we use him and with she we use her. A person we are talking about. Ramesh saw a man in a shop. He waved at him. Instead of writing Ramesh again, we have used he. And we have used, with he we have used him. And second, Jonita called Roshina. She was missing her. Instead of writing the name again, we have written she with her. Now, it. An animal or thing we are talking about. It we taken of animal. Did you see my pen? It is an ink pen. Have you seen my pen? It is an ink pen. And the last one is they and them. Person, animal or thing we are talking about. About which person, place animal or thing we are talking about. Like Ritu and Rohit like books. They buy them often. Ritu and Rohit both like books. They buy them often. Now, I hope you all have got how you have to apply pronouns in the sentences. Now, let us begin with the exercise C. Circle personal pronouns in the given sentences. We have been given 8 sentences over here. What you all have to do is you have to circle the personal pronouns in the given sentences. First one is, my brother and I like to play. My and I over here is the personal pronoun. So circle my in it and I in this. So my and I like to play. You have to circle the pronoun. Second one is, he likes to swim. He over here is the personal pronoun. So underline. So circle he. Now let us move to third one. Third one is, I have a little puppy. It is very naughty. I over here is the personal pronoun. It over here is the personal pronoun. So circle I and it in the third one. Now let us move to fourth one. We planted flowers in our garden. We over here is the personal pronoun. So circle we. Fifth one is, they would like to visit the rail museum. They over here is the personal pronoun. So circle we. They. Sixth, the teacher asks them to wear the caps at the picnic. Them over here is the personal pronoun. So in underline, circle in 6th one, circle them. Now let us move to 7th one. We won the cup. The crowd waved at us. So in this, we over here is the personal pronoun and us. So in the 7th one, circle we and us. 8th one, what can I do for you? The receptionist asked me. In this, I over here is the personal pronoun and the receptionist asked me. Circle me. In 8th one. 8th one we have circle me. Now here we complete with exercise C in our books. Now what you all have to do is you have to fill this exercise in your book only. Don't write anything in your notebook. Homework for you all is you have to learn exercise A of chapter 4, Welcome to the Forest, from workbook only. Again I am repeating, you have to learn exercise A from chapter 4 only, from this chapter only. Thank you.